Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Blink Sync module settings to new location. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Blink Sync module settings to a new location, begin by gathering all necessary equipment. Make sure your Blink Sync module is unplugged from its power source. Next, disconnect all cameras connected to the module. Using the Blink app on your mobile device, open the settings for the Sync module. Select the option to remove the module from your account. Confirm the removal when prompted by the app. Now, take the Sync module to your new location. Find a suitable power outlet and plug in the module. Wait for the Sync module to power up completely. Open the Blink app again on your mobile device. Select the option to add a new Sync module. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the module to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password during this process. Once connected, the app will prompt you to set up your cameras again. Select the option to add existing cameras linked to your account. Follow the instructions to reconnect each camera to the Sync module. Once all devices are connected, check the live feed to ensure they are functioning properly. Your Blink Sync module settings are now successfully transferred to your new location. Ensure to test the motion detection settings to confirm everything is working as expected. Keep the Blink app updated to maintain optimal performance for your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.